Today is 12/22/24, and we have a question is, can we add 2 of the Thule boxes up here with the 58-inch round bar? The answer is no. So I currently have 2 Thule boxes, and they're 27 inches across on the bottom. From one of the legs to the other leg is 27 inches. And the gap in between them is like 10 inches. So the 2 won't work. What I do have is one of these exact duplicate Thule boxes, the 21 size, cubic inches. And so it turns out that this Yakima box 18 is only, I believe it's like 18 across. $21 across. It totally needs 21 and a little bit. So that's how much real estate this one needs. And so if I add up that box, the footprint of the bottom, and the footprint here, 27 plus, I forgot the number already, but ultimately, you take those 2 numbers and you minus 58 because that's the bar I have, and you have 10 inches for the gap in between. And the rail grabbers that I have are these bars right here. From here to here, or this one right here, is 58. So we stick our measuring tape in there, and there you go, 58. I don't know why I have this like mental block on that Yakima number. I think it was like 22. Let's do it again. Sorry for the confusing video. $21. All right. 21 is the easy number to remember. 21. And then, without climbing up here to check out, my other option was to go to the hardware store and cut 2 of these pipes. Got someone on the internet tells you what number to buy, the inner and the outer diameter. I don't know if there's gas lines or water lines, but I used the Measure iPhone on the iPhone app, and those 2 gaps is exactly 10 inches. So hopefully with the 10-inch I have, oh wow, that is the difference too here. From here to outside is a very small difference, but with the Yakima box, the outside is a big difference. Wow, so that's another consideration I gotta take. All right, talk about some soul searching here.